Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing faunasports.uk or faunasports.com. But before we get into that, a lot of you has been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description down below for you to check out. And with that out of the way, let's review faunasports.uk. So as you can see, you have it pulled up here on their website. So if you don't know what this product or this website is, it is basically a website that lets you customize jerseys. So as you can see, they're mostly or all soccer jerseys or football jerseys. So as you can see, for example, right here, custom gold royal white sublimation soccer uniform jersey. So you can just input in your own team name, your own last name, or any name that you want, and any number that you want. So if you're wondering if this website is legit, as you can see right here, they're rated bad here on Trustpilot, which is 1.7 out of 5 stars, with 135 reviews. So let's read some reviews here. So scam company, do not order from them, do not, poor service, avoid, do not do it, sent me the wrong shirt, I've ordered over a month ago, still not received, and the list goes on. So please guys, if you haven't got the gist of it, this website or this company is a scam, and please do not order from them, since you might as well get your credit card or your payment information got stolen. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.